Ever pondered what common types of cooking oils grace most kitchens? The usual suspects might include vegetable oil, canola oil, and even the well-known olive oil. But how often do we question what goes on behind the scenes? What are the health benefits and drawbacks of these different cooking oils? In the world of cooking oils, not all are created equal. Some oils, like vegetable and canola oils, are often heavily processed and can contain harmful trans fats. These fats are known to increase bad cholesterol levels and decrease good cholesterol levels, contributing to heart disease and other health issues. On the brighter side, there are healthier alternatives. One such alternative is coconut oil. Made from the meat of coconuts, this oil is high in medium-chain triglycerides, which are fats that the body can easily metabolize into energy. It's also heat-stable, making it a great choice for cooking at high temperatures. Then there's butter, a time-honored favorite in the kitchen. Butter, particularly grass-fed, is rich in vitamins A, E, and K2. It also contains butyrate, a type of fat that can improve gut health and fight inflammation. Next in line is olive oil. Famed for its heart-healthy properties, olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats and packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants can combat inflammation and help protect your blood cholesterol from oxidation, two benefits that can reduce the risk of heart disease. But remember, olive oil is best used at room temperature, as heating can degrade some of its beneficial properties. Last, but definitely not least, there's avocado oil. This oil is high in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that can reduce heart disease risk factors like cholesterol. It's also rich in lutein, an antioxidant that's beneficial for eye health. Similar to olive oil, it's best used at room temperature. To sum it all up, when it comes to cooking oils, it's best to choose wisely. Coconut oil and butter prove to be excellent choices for cooking, while olive oil and avocado oil shine when used at room temperature. Remember, the oils you use can directly impact your health, so choose oils that are beneficial, not detrimental. Be savvy about your oil choices, and your body will thank you.